How to fix Skype background blur not working. To fix the Skype background blur not working issue, first of all, you have to understand that the Skype has been officially discontinued and it has been fully integrated into Microsoft Teams. So to fix this issue, you simply have to start by checking if your phone's processor supports the feature or not. You simply have to verify your hardware compatibility. This feature is generally supported on mid-range to flagship processors and new devices running Android 6.0 or higher. If your device is a budget model or older device, your hardware might not be capable of running the background blur algorithm. And also make sure to update the application itself. Go ahead and launch your device's Play Store or App Store, search for Microsoft Teams. If there is any update regarding the application, you simply have to go ahead and update your application and your problem should be fixed once you relaunch it. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.